So hello guys, welcome to a new update video finally about Android 14, not 13. I did so many Android 13 stuff, but now it's actually Android 14. And yeah, I built the ROM again, and Jesus, to get this working again was a nightmare for itself. And yeah, okay, before I talk about anything else, here's the proof about phone, Android 14, Lineage 21, security patch is the newest one too, like you know it from me already. I always use the newest one, July 1st, and here again Android 14 minigame is working too. Yeah, so, and yeah, flashlight is working, Bluetooth is working too, Wi-Fi is working. Jesus, it's a bit slow, like you can see. That's because I haven't done any optimizations at all. Like you can maybe see here, it looks, and for me it feels like 25 FPS all the time for the whole system right now in this ROM, but it's better than nothing. I mean, it's actually working, you know. Two things which aren't working right now are the Play Store when you're at GApps yourself. That's of course not included in this ROM. You have to add it yourself. I don't think that's hard for you at all. Only the settings are working here. When you try to log in, nothing is happening at all, and yeah, that's a thing I will do next weekend. And the second thing is, which I think is the most important thing for the most people, yeah, that you can make calls with it and so on. The ROM isn't recognizing your SIM card at all. That literally everything you put in isn't recognizing. By the ROM itself, it just says no SIM card is inserted, but for me it was inside the phone. But yeah, that's another thing I added into my to-do list for next weekend. And yeah, but other than these two things, everything is working. And I mean everything, even the camera. I added, and you can see two camera apps. This one is the default Lineage OS camera app, aperture, but when you open it, it will crash. That's why I added a legacy camera app. To be honest, I don't know from where that even is. I never saw it before, and that one wasn't working too in the beginning, but I fixed it with a lot of, I don't know. To be honest, I don't know what I did, but now it's working. Photos are working, videos are working. Here, and you can zoom in or out. Here are your settings. Come on, so your resolutions and so on. And yeah, again, everything else is working. Many default apps here were crashing, like the recorder app or even just the default Lineage OS phone app, but I fixed all of that too. Yeah, to be honest, to get Android 14 working to this date was a nightmare. But yeah, I accepted the challenge, and now here we are. And yeah, that's the time I think where I will upload this ROM. Again, these two things which aren't working, of course I will go into that next weekend. That's the goal, and when they are fixed, I mean, then you can actually say that the ROM is usable as a daily driver. I mean, come on, what else you want? Of course, I will remove the Aperture default camera app from Lineage OS, sorry, next weekend too, because I mean, we don't need two camera apps, right? I think I will get it to work too, but you need to do a lot of stuff, a lot of backports and so on, lots of switching things around to get this working. And I don't say that this one was easy too. It took me some couple of hours, but this one is another challenge, which the ROM itself was already a challenge, you know. That's why I don't want to deal with that. And you can install your own camera app from, I don't know, from anywhere, from the internet yourself. So that's not the biggest problem. At least you have a default camera app which is working from the beginning. And yeah, but other than that, again, everything is working. Like you can see, I already rooted my phone. Magisk is installed and of course working. And come on, again, bit patient. It's an old phone, and that's where I installed the GApps package from Magisk, or via Magisk, however you wanna spell it. And yeah, right, I think I showed you everything. Did I? Yes, I did. Okay, and I think, like I told, next weekend I will fix all of the stuff, and I don't think I don't need to make a new video about it. Just check out my XDA page, and there I will post the new update, and of course in the future the future updates too. And that's the time, I think, where I can actually discontinue the Android 13 ROM, because working with two ROMs at the same time is too much, and it's taking already so much space. That's why I need to clean up a bit, and that's why I think it's a perfect time to discontinue the Android 13 ROM. And yeah, okay, see you on the next update, which I think video wise will be Android 15, but that, my friends, will take another few months because I have a private life too, and I don't want to work 24/7 on this stuff. Or no, let's say it otherwise. I would like to, but I can't, right? I have to work too, and that's why I have only limited time. And yeah, okay. So yeah, see you on the next update video. Bye.